All right, well, let's take a look at the U.S. Drought Monitor that is updated every Thursday. And here it is for today, and you can see a slight change, an improvement here, if you will, to only a moderate drought in parts of Jim Wells and the southwestern Clayburgh County compared to a week ago. But we here in Corpus Christi are still in severe drought, and then it gets extreme out to the west and beyond. So this is where we had some heavy rainfall, and again, a slight improvement, but not so much in the watershed. So that's what we're looking at there, and these are the lake levels for today. And the bottom line is everything is down. A month ago, Lake Corpus Christi was over 70% full. Now it's 65% and change. So it has dropped significantly, and the combined system capacity is down 2% in the last month. But this is the time of the year when water loss accelerates due to usage and evaporation. And so we look at this a month from now, we'll see about a 3% drop instead of a 2% month over month in our combined capacity. And don't focus too much on the Lake Texana Mary Roads pipeline. They've got a lot of water up there, but we've only contracted for a small amount of that per month. And we release more water from Lake Corpus Christi than we receive from Lake Texana on an annual basis. So the rainfall outlook is neutral to dry here. This is May 6th through the 12th, so this is going out 8 to 14 days. Above normal rain in the Pacific Northwest, southeastern U.S. I think later in the year, this area of above normal rain will spread west in our direction and we'll get out of this. But right now, it's looking a little bit dry, especially here in town where we had a high today of 88 for the third morning in a row in the 60s, but just barely this morning at 69 degrees, 84 now and windy outside with 23 mile an hour sustained winds, and our weather headlines show temperatures starting out in the 70s in the morning, above normal temperatures through next week, and more gusty winds means more humidity. We also have a big dome of high pressure sitting near us. That represents sinking air across the region, and that's what's keeping us dry with the exception of a stray shower. We need low pressure or rising air to make for rain, and we just haven't seen much of that except out in our western counties on Monday and Tuesday of this week. But that is not in existence right now. There's the high pressure. Notice when that moves out, another one moves in, and low pressure is staying up to the north. This is in the upper atmosphere, not at the surface. So again, rising air is good for rain, and we're seeing sinking air here in South Texas. So we have low pressure at the surface in the plain states, and that's the reason we're getting the winds. It'll be pretty persistent here over the next several days with some minor changes. Morning clouds tomorrow will give way to afternoon sunshine. We'll see that again on Saturday. The feel-like forecast, though, does go into the low 90s tomorrow afternoon, the combination temperature and humidity. So watch out for that. So here is a look at the 7-day forecast. After 73 tonight, we'll be back up to 88 tomorrow, 74 and 90 with a little less wind on Saturday, 73 and 89 Sunday, 88 for Monday, and then 90 on Tuesday of next week with no significant or meaningful rain a week for the next 168 hours from now. We'll have more with Pat right after this.